Hello, boys and girls. So, yesterday you had a very important task as scientists to observe the sun. We've been talking about the sun and how it moves in the sky, right? So, your big question yesterday was when and where does the sun rise? Remember, we said rise, and where does it set? So, for the next 2 days now, you're going to be observing where the sun rises, where it comes up, and where it sets, right? Rise and set. So, where does the sun rise? Where does it set? So, you got a paper that looked like this. So, in the morning, this is mine. I told you I needed you to look outside and find something that didn't move that you could compare every day. So, something that you could look at every day. And I chose to look out my window. And the thing that I chose to draw is my neighbor's house because my neighbor's house doesn't move. So, every day I'm going to draw where the sun rises and where it sets around my neighbor's house. Okay, so here's my neighbor's house, and there's a palm tree next to their house, like this. Their house and a palm tree. Yesterday in the morning, when we were in Zoom, I noticed that when I saw their house, if I was facing the house, the sun was on this side of their house. So I drew my sun over here and I put a little label that says sun in the morning. This was the sun in the morning. And then at about 5:30 in the evening, closer to nighttime, at 5:30, I looked out the same window to look at my neighbor's house to see where the sun was at. And I noticed that the sun was on this side and it was much lower. In the morning when I looked out, it was kind of high in the sky, but then at nighttime, it was down here. I don't know if that happened to you too, but that's how I saw it. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do with yours. You're not going to draw my neighbor's house, right? No, because you can't see my neighbor's house from your house. You're going to look out your window or go outside of your house and draw something that you see, and then you're going to observe where the sun is in the morning and where it is in the evening. Okay? Yours should not look like mine. You're going to observe for yourself. Then this was yesterday, so today I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to look out my window and I'm going to look at my neighbor's house and I'm going to see where the sun is in the morning and then in the evening again. So I'm going to check the sun 2 times to see where it's at. And then on the third day, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw my neighbor's house again and I'm going to see where the sun is in the morning and in the evening. So by now, you should have 2 boxes. The one from yesterday. Yesterday, you checked where the sun was in the morning and in the evening. And today, you're checking again where the sun is in the morning and where it's in the evening. Okay?